What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out my friend's Isle of Man Green G80 M3 equipped with the IRL Full Modular Catback exhaust. The rest of the car is completely stock, including factory intakes and factory downpipes. If you've been following my channel, you know I review a lot of G8x exhaust setups. On my personal car, I've done the Yanristic, the Remus, and the Master of Art Design setups. One thing to note is that in my videos, I do not use any external mic setups. I feel like this gives you the most realistic representation of how these exhausts sound in person. Here's what you'll see in today's video. We'll begin with the cold start, stationary revs with the valves closed and open. After that, we're gonna head out for a launch, followed by multiple flybys. Finally, we'll finish with plenty of in-cabin footage with the windows down versus up, along with the valves open versus closed. All right, let's get into this. to go into comfort mode now. This is still with the valves open. All right, let's roll the windows up. All right, we just closed the valves. Car's super comfortable with the valves closed. You can't even tell there's an exhaust on it. Now that you've heard everything, let's talk about my overall impressions. I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised by this setup. Going into this review, I have to be honest, I expected the car to be fairly quiet since it was on factory downpipes. Instead, I found it to have a deep throaty tone that was much more aggressive than what I was expecting. Around town, it has a nice mature sound that never feels over the top, but once you really get into the throttle, the exhaust completely transforms. The Fly-Bys sound fantastic, and there's a deep grumble to the exhaust. This gives the S58 a lot more character without becoming raspy or harsh. With the valves closed, it sounds completely stock, and if you guys know me, I really don't put much emphasis on how an exhaust sounds with the valves closed because quite honestly, I never drive with my valves closed. But if you're someone who leaves for work early or gets home late and you don't want to wake up your neighbors, this exhaust has great valve functionality, especially when paired with the valve controller. So who do I think this exhaust is for? One thing that's important to understand is that this exhaust wasn't designed simply to be loud. If you're looking to maximize exhaust flow while also maintaining a great balance between power, sound, and drivability, this exhaust might be the setup that you're looking for. Now that we've reviewed the IRL Modular Catback with everything else stock, I'm curious to see what happens to the sound, the volume, if we throw on some 400 cell high flow downpipes. So that's what we're gonna do on the next video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more G8X content. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think of the tone. If you're interested in picking up this exact setup for your own G8X, I do have it available on my online store, automasscollective.com. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.